Excessive mucus and phlegm can be frustrating, causing discomfort, difficulty breathing, and even disrupting your daily life. Whether due to a cold, allergies, or respiratory conditions, phlegm buildup can make you feel congested and sluggish. Fortunately, nature offers powerful remedies that can help clear mucus naturally and efficiently, often overnight. In this video, we'll explore the #1 natural remedy for clearing phlegm and mucus, why it works so well, and additional home treatments to support long-term respiratory health. One of the most effective and natural remedies to clear mucus overnight is the combination of honey, ginger, and lemon. This powerhouse trio works synergistically to break down mucus, soothe irritation, and promote drainage. Ginger, a natural decongestant with anti-inflammatory properties that loosens mucus and clears airways. Honey, a soothing agent with antibacterial properties that coats the throat and reduces irritation. Lemon, rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, it cuts through thick mucus and boosts immunity. How to prepare this remedy? Use 1-inch piece of fresh ginger, grated or sliced, 1 tablespoon of raw honey, 1 tablespoon of freshly squeezed lemon juice, 1 cup of hot water. Optional, a pinch of cayenne pepper or turmeric for added anti-inflammatory effects. Boil water and add the grated or sliced ginger. Let it steep for 10 to 15 minutes. Strain the tea into a cup and add lemon juice and honey. Stir well and sip slowly before bed. Drinking this mixture before sleeping helps break down mucus, reduce throat inflammation, and promote natural drainage while you rest. Many people notice significant relief in the morning, waking up with clearer sinuses, a soothed throat, and reduced congestion. Here are additional natural remedies to support mucus clearance. While the honey ginger lemon elixir is incredibly effective, pairing it with additional remedies can further enhance your respiratory health. #1. Steam inhalation with essential oils. Inhaling steam helps loosen thick mucus and open up airways. Adding essential oils like eucalyptus, peppermint, or tea tree oil enhances the effects. Boil water and pour it into a large bowl. Add 3 to 5 drops of essential oil. Cover your head with a towel and inhale the steam for 5 to 10 minutes. #2. Turmeric and warm milk. Turmeric has powerful anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties that help reduce mucus buildup and support lung function. Warm 1 cup of milk and add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Stir well and drink before bed. #3. Salt water. Gargling with warm salt water helps remove mucus from the throat and kill bacteria. Mix 1/2 teaspoon of salt in a cup of warm water. Gargle for 30 seconds and spit it out. #4. Stay hydrated drinking. Plenty of fluids helps thin mucus, making it easier to expel. Herbal teas, broths, and warm lemon water are excellent choices. Here are 4 lifestyle changes to prevent excess mucus. Once you've cleared your mucus, preventing future buildup is key. Here are some long-term strategies to keep your respiratory system healthy. #1. Avoid dairy and processed foods. Dairy products can thicken mucus, making it harder to clear. Processed foods high in sugar and preservatives can also trigger inflammation and congestion. #2. Use a humidifier. Dry air can irritate your airways, leading to excess mucus production. A humidifier helps maintain optimal moisture levels in your environment. Quit smoking and reduce exposure to pollutants. Smoking and air pollution can damage your lungs and cause chronic mucus production. Reducing exposure to these irritants can significantly improve your respiratory health. #4. Practice deep breathing exercises. Breathing exercises like diaphragmatic breathing and alternate nostril breathing can strengthen lung function and promote better airflow. Mucus and phlegm buildup can be uncomfortable, but with the right natural remedies, you can find relief quickly, sometimes overnight. The combination of honey, ginger, and lemon is one of the most effective ways to clear mucus, soothe the throat, and support lung health. By incorporating steam inhalation, turmeric milk, salt gargles, hydration, and lifestyle changes, you can prevent future mucus buildup and enjoy better respiratory health in the long run. Give this remedy a try tonight and wake up feeling refreshed and congestion-free.